Intuit TurboTax Honest Review. Watch before using. TurboTax is one of the most popular tax filing software options, and for good reason. It's designed to make tax filing simple, even if you have zero tax knowledge. TurboTax offers step-by-step guidance and asks you questions to help ensure all the deductions and credits you qualify for are captured. It automatically calculates the best refund possible for your situation and even offers live help from tax professionals if needed, which can be a huge relief during tax season. The software is available in several versions, depending on your needs, from basic filing for W-2 earners to more advanced options for freelancers, small business owners, and those with investments. The user interface is extremely intuitive, walking you through everything from inputting your income to claiming deductions like mortgage interest or education credits. TurboTax automatically imports forms from employers and financial institutions, which cuts down on errors and saves time. However, it's important to note that while TurboTax starts off as free, the price can add up depending on which version you need and whether you choose to file state taxes or require additional support. One drawback is that TurboTax has been criticized for its upselling tactics, pushing users toward more expensive options that might not always be necessary. Additionally, the free version only applies to very simple tax situations, so many users will end up paying to use the service. TurboTax is best for individuals who want convenience and are willing to pay a premium for it. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but for many, the ease of use and accuracy makes it worthwhile. If you're self-employed or own a small business, TurboTax's higher-tier packages can be very useful. But if you're simply looking for the cheapest way to file taxes, there may be better alternatives. Overall, TurboTax is a solid choice, but make sure to evaluate whether the cost aligns with your specific tax needs before committing.